Fintech industry too has made it possible to deliver financial services at population scale and at affordable costs. The first phase of India's digital journey was about building the foundation and expanding the access to various financial services, savings, insurance, investments. The next phase now is about universalizing it, about deepening the impact, widening the impact by using data responsibly. I will talk about 5 areas. Some work has been done by us in these areas. More needs to be done. These are: 1, aggregation and leveraging the financial data; 2, the digital rupee on which we are working; asset tokenization, in which we have made some initial steps; artificial intelligence, which holds the future for all of us; and digital frauds, which is increasingly becoming a problem for us. First, we need to develop the digital public infrastructure for data integration. As I mentioned, huge data that we have, to widen and deepen financial inclusion. The account aggregator framework is one such endeavor. It is empowering individuals to share their financial data safely with regulated entities. Of course, a long journey. 17 account aggregators today, 650 financial information users, 150 FIPs, information providers, 160 million accounts being served, 3.66 billion requests from FIUs. So a huge lot of progress in this. More importantly, government data like GST and data is also now to some extent available. RBI is in the process of introducing standards designed to improve customer onboarding processes, enhance user interfaces, strengthen data security, and increase transparency and awareness in consent management and data sharing under the account aggregator framework. The account aggregator framework can help unleash the potential in this area by making available data from the providers to the users. However, its success will depend on 2 critical things, and I was discussing this with my team and others earlier, which is: 1, integrating with more financial information, especially information which is vital for assessing the financial status of an individual; and B, interoperability across account aggregators.